Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. If you want to learn Quran with proper pronunciation and in a easy way, then subscribe to my channel. Inshallah, in a very short time, you will be able to read Quran. Let's start our today lecture. Our today lecture is about standing Fatha, standing Kasra, and inverted Damma. The standing Fatha is equal to one Aleph. The letter on which this standing Fatha is written, that will be stretched about 1 to 2 seconds and will be equal to one Aleph. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hamza standing Fatha A. Ba standing Fatha Ba. Tha standing Fatha Tha. Fa standing Fatha Tha. Jim standing Fatha Ja. Ha standing Fatha Ha. Ha standing Fatha Ha. Dal standing Fatha Da. Next is Zal standing Fatha Za. Ra standing Fatha Ra. Za standing Fatha Za. Sin standing Fatha Sa. Sheen standing Fatha Sha. Swad standing Fatha Sa. Dot standing Fatha Do. Twa standing Fatha To. Next is Zwa standing Fatha Zwa. Ain standing Fatha A. Ghain standing Fatha Gha. Fa standing Fatha Fa. Qaf standing Fatha Qa. Kaf standing Fatha Kha. Lam standing Fatha La. Mim standing Fatha Ma. Noon standing Fatha Na. Wow standing Fatha Wa. Ha standing Fatha Ha. Hamza standing Fatha A. Ya. Standing Fatha. Ya. Ya. Standing Fatha. Ya. Alhamdulillah, we have completed the standing Fatha with all letters. Inshallah, in the next two lectures, we will learn about the standing Kasra and inverted Damma. Try it and practice it and repeat again and again. Inshallah, it will be very useful and helpful for you. Subscribe to the channel also. Take care. Thank you. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.